The STX eila Edition 1 is a luxurious motorhome built in collaboration between STX Motorhomes and eila, a hospitality rental park company. It's designed to be a 5-star hotel on wheels, offering all the comforts and amenities you'd expect in a high-end hotel. It has 4 slide-outs that create a spacious interior with a one-off luxury master bedroom, kitchen, extra-large bathroom, an additional lounge area, and even a workspace. The interior is made with high-quality materials, including leather seats and wood surfaces. It comes with many special features, like invisible phone chargers built into the wooden surfaces. The STX eila Edition 1 is a truly luxurious motorhome that will redefine the way you travel. With its impressive features and spacious interior, it's the perfect way to explore the world in style. The CMC ATHENA motorhome is the epitome of luxury living on the road. Built by CMC Caravan, the Italian leader in high-end RVs, the ATHENA is a true marvel of engineering and design. While most RVs offer a comfortable living space, like luxury bedroom, the ATHENA takes it to a whole new level. It likely boasts all the amenities you could desire, including a master bedroom, expansive bathrooms, a chef-worthy kitchen, a dedicated workspace, and probably even entertainment areas. The ATHENA transforms into a sprawling living space thanks to its ingenious slide-out technology. This transformation creates a vast living area of a staggering 1,076 square feet, 100 square meters. That's more space than many apartments. Luxurious interior is designed to rival luxurious homes. Imagine high-quality materials like leather seats, rich wood surfaces, and sleek countertops. CMC ATHENA motorhome is a dream vehicle for those who demand the ultimate in luxury and comfort on the road. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a high-end A-class motorhome manufactured by the Slovenian company Adria Mobile. It's designed for those who prioritize comfort, style, and performance on their road trips. Features high-quality materials like Tencel upholstery, known for its comfort, support, and easy care. Offers spacious living areas with comfortable seating and pull-out or folding beds depending on the layout. Includes an advanced digital control panel for easy management of various systems. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a luxurious and well-equipped A-class motorhome that caters to those who demand comfort, style, and functionality on their adventures. Boasts a range of multimedia solutions like a TV point, USB charging ports, and a sound system with hidden speakers for an immersive entertainment experience. Features a modern and stylish design with a sleek automotive-inspired front mask. Offers large panoramic windows for ample natural light and a great view of the surroundings. The STX Heavy trailer with full living is a luxurious trailer designed for transporting horses and providing a comfortable living space for you during your travels. It offers ample space for both horses and people, along with luxurious amenities for a relaxing journey. Equipped with high-quality materials like upholstered walls and leather-upholstered seats. Provides amenities like satellite TV, a flat screen with DVD player, separate air conditioning, and a fully equipped bathroom with a shower. May also include a push-up option for extra bedroom space. The full living designation indicates a fully equipped living space integrated into the trailer. The trailer with full living is a great option for horse owners who want a comfortable and convenient way to travel with their animals. The RIOJA Luxury motorhome, crafted by RIOJA Singular Vehicles, is the epitome of opulence on wheels. It's not just a motorhome, it's a 2-story marvel of engineering that redefines the concept of RV living. Step inside to a world of luxury. High-end finishes, plush furniture, and top-of-the-line appliances create a living space that rivals a 5-star hotel suite. RIOJA offers ample space for all the comforts of home, including a master bedroom, a spa-like luxury bathroom, a fully equipped amazing kitchen, and a spacious living room. There's even room for a dedicated workspace or home theater, catering to both work and entertainment needs. The RIOJA boasts a length of around 40 feet, approximately 12 meters, making it a substantial yet manageable vehicle for navigating roads. RIOJA prides itself on creating unique experiences for each client. They collaborate closely with owners to design a living space that reflects their individual preferences and travel style. The roof rises, and various sections of the vehicle strategically expand, nearly doubling the living space and creating a two-story haven. The Karoo Adventure Camper is a new type of innovative and lightweight camping trailer designed for adventure travel. Stands out for its exceptional lightness, weighing in at only around 750 kilograms, 1,653 pounds. This makes it towable by a wider range of vehicles, including electric SUVs, compared to traditional, heavier caravans. Provides a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, thanks to clever modular solutions. The modular design allows for some level of customization and flexibility in how you use the space. The lighter weight also translates to potentially better fuel efficiency for both electric and combustion engine vehicles. Offers a user-friendly mobile app for controlling various camper functions remotely. The MOVICO Giant XL is a unique and innovative mobile event structure, not a traditional motorhome. It's designed to transform into a luxurious and spacious hospitality pavilion for events like sports games and corporate marketing events. Imagine a single 45-foot container transforming into a triple-deck venue. That's the magic of the Giant XL. With the help of a skilled team and just 3 hours, the container unfolds into a remarkable event space. Spacious interior. The Giant XL boasts a revolutionary volume equivalent to 6 45-foot containers. This translates to a massive 180 square meters, approximately 1938 square feet, of usable space. The Giant XL is designed to provide a high-end experience. It's fully climate-controlled and features LED lighting to create the desired ambience. MOVICO Giant XL is a game-changer for luxury event experiences. The VARIO Signature 1200 is an exclusive motorhome designed by VARIO Mobile. This luxurious vehicle is built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis and is powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine that delivers 523 horsepower. The motorhome, which measures 12 meters in length and has a gross vehicle weight rating of 26 tons, is equipped with a number of high-end features. These include a pull-down bed, up to 3 slide-outs, and a garage that can accommodate a sports car such as a Mercedes SL, a Porsche 911, or a Mini Cooper. The living area is spacious and luxurious, offering all the comforts of home. The exterior of the Signature 1200 is just as impressive as the interior. It features self-supporting fiberglass sandwich bodywork construction and a structure-enhancing, UV-filtering panoramic windshield design. In summary, the VARIO Signature 1200 offers a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and mobility, making it a top choice for those seeking a high-end motorhome experience. The Liberty Coach Showcase is an annual event hosted by Liberty Coach, a custom luxury motor coach manufacturer based in North Chicago, Illinois. It's a prestigious event that brings together potential buyers, industry professionals, and enthusiasts of high-end RVs. The 2022 Liberty Coach Showcase was held from February 18th to 20th at the Motorcoach Country Club Resort in Indio, California. This event showcased Liberty Coach's finest custom-built luxury motorhomes, featuring unparalleled craftsmanship, top-of-the-line materials, and innovative technology. Liberty Coach unveiled some of their latest creations, featuring stunning designs, spacious living areas, and advanced technological features. Exhibits and tours. Attendees had the opportunity to explore various Liberty Coach models up close, take detailed tours, and learn about the features and amenities from Liberty Coach representatives. The Ketterer Continetal motorhome is a behemoth in the world of luxury RVs, known for its spacious living area, high-end amenities, and powerful engine. It's built by Schule Trucks, a German company specializing in high-performance vehicles. The interior boasts top-of-the-line finishes, including leather seats and wood surfaces. Thanks to its impressive size and strategic use of slide-outs, the Ketterer Continetal boasts a vast living area, accommodating sleeping arrangements for 5 to 6 people. This version prioritizes a luxurious living space combined with a separate, large multifunctional and luxury bedroom. One of big garage for 2 racing cars, motorcycles, or other recreational equipment. Ideal for motorsport enthusiasts or those who want to bring extra toys along for the ride. There's also evidence of a version with a focus on ultimate luxury, featuring features like 2 TVs, climate control, and multiple slide-outs for maximum interior space. Built on a robust base, like a Mercedes Adego chassis, the Continental series provides a smooth driving experience and can handle long journeys effortlessly.